All right. So I'm curious because, like Shannon said, we're idiots at SEO here. So like, I would love to learn some actionable tips that we can use, and of course that our listeners can use to get our, maybe just to like incrementally help ourselves. So like when you come to somebody, Bodhi, where would you start?
So some basic tips I would have is to build a Google My Business profile. In that profile, you could have a products page and a services page, and only having about like 5 products. Some people think the more the better, but actually you can edit your Google My Business profile to only have 5 products within the profile itself.
Got it.
Another simple tip is to have a website, but you can't just have like a plain website like a business card. You should have a website with at least 5 regular pages, and then having service area pages on the back end. So, for example, if you're going to have a website for a dumpster rental company in New York City, you'll have a page for the Bronx borough, for Manhattan, for Queens, for Staten Island. And then on the back end of all those pages, you'll have a 10-yard dumpster rental Staten Island, 10-yard dumpster rental Manhattan, 10-yard dumpster rental the Bronx, stuff like that. So
you've got landing pages for Google to index.
Yes.
For when people are searching for those specific things.
Yep.
You're not just trying to have one page serve as everything.
Yep. Your website should pretty much be like a book. And then we actually embed a Google map on the bottom of every single service page. So I'll have a single Google map for, let's say, Staten Island, the dumpster rental. You have a Google map that's from your Google My Business profile. You're able to take the map and embed it on the bottom of the service area page.
And this would be
a little tip.
Yeah, and this, like what you just shared, is obviously there's some specifics for local businesses serving local areas like a dumpster rental business would.
Yes,
but the idea of having this website that reads like a book applies to everything, I would think.
Applies to everything. A lot of pages we build aren't even like, our consumers couldn't even see these pages. It's more for Google to index you.
Got it.